Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm going to be talking about our visit to our local middle school. So I like the learning experience because it makes me and probably a lot of other people feel more prepared for middle school, and getting ready because some of the stuff that the experience taught me was they showed us around where the floor we're going to be on because there's a floor for every grade. They showed up. They taught us some things that you might think are hard to remember, remembering your locker compo, for example. But they said it was actually pretty easy once you got used to it, and they kind of made it more comfortable and made you more ready and prepared for South. The 21st century skills I think going into middle school will improve, and that learning experience will improve, are adapting to change, solving problems, being curious. I have about 10, and I don't think that it'd be a good idea to share them all because that'd be kind of a waste of time. So the reason I think that teachers should do this is because to make their students feel more comfortable going into middle school. And I think that they should encourage them to ask questions to the middle schoolers, and they should definitely ask questions if the teachers do decide to do this because it will definitely help them. Another reason that teachers should do this for their kids is that they'll know where to go and stuff instead of just being lost and having to rely on what students tell them because that might not be correct. So, yeah, I would really encourage teachers to show their kids this thing of going to their middle school and making them comfortable with leaving elementary school.